Welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we've discussed about how to unpack tuples in Python, and in this video, we'll be discussing about how to join two tuples together in Python using the plus operator or the concatenation operator. So this video is going to be pretty short, so let's go ahead and do that. Now, as you can see, we have two tuples defined already, tuple 1 and tuple 2. So to join our two tuples now, tuple 1 and 2, we can simply go ahead and do that inside another tuple called tuple 3, for instance, which is going to be equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2, something like this. And now if we go ahead and print our tuple 3, we're going to go ahead and get our two tuples matched together. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, we have a tuple of ABC 1 2 3, which is tuple 1 and 2 joined together. And we can also go ahead and multiply our tuples if we want to. Now let's come down here and say we have a tuple called my tuple, which is a tuple of apple, cherry, and orange, like so. Alright, and now let's go ahead and define another tuple. Let's say my tuple 2 and say it's equals to my tuple. Paste this right here and say use the asterisk symbol, the multiplication symbol, times 2. And now we're going to have duplicate elements inside of our tuple. And we know that is totally fine because tuples do accept duplicate elements. So now if you go ahead and now try to print my tuple 2, copy this, paste it right here, and run our script. As you can see, we have a tuple of duplicate items because we'll multiply our tuples times 2. So friend, that will be it for this video. I hope everything is clear to you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.